Jailed after she tried to dodge testifying at the murder trial of Bob Bashara, finally took the stand.
7 Action News reporter Jim Kirchner is live downtown with her testimony why it's so very important to this case. Jim?
Yeah, Frances Natale testified to the jury. She talked with a confessed killer, Joe Gentz, after and before the murder, and that shows the jury it was planned weeks in advance.
He said he got a job. I asked him doing what. He says to make good money, around $6,000. I said doing home repairs or what? And he didn't even mention his boss's name. It was a big secret.
Joe Gentz is a handyman who's pleaded guilty to strangling Jane Bashara in January of 2012. He claims he was paid with cash and a car and had a gun held to him by Bob Bashara. Bashara denies that, but has pleaded guilty to trying to hire a hitman to kill a handyman, and he's serving 6 to 20 years. If convicted of his wife's murder, he's facing life in prison. Natale testified Joe Gentz told her just days after the murder, before anyone was charged, someone got hit, and it was on TV, on the news. But nothing more specific than that. About a week after the murder, Joe Gentz showed up at the Grosse Pointe Park Police Department, saying he feared for his life. But that was at an early point and did not say why. He had a scrape on the side of his face, and police took this picture.
Instead of placing him under arrest because he had come into the police station and stated that he was in fear for his own life, and in fact I did ask him if that was the case, if he wished to be placed into protective custody, and he indicated that that was his desire.
Bob Bashara wore dark glasses into court and told the judge he had some eye surgery inside the jail yesterday, and that he was sensitive to light. And this is the third time Bob Bashara's had a health issue during his trial. The trial continues here tomorrow. Live downtown, Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.
Hey, Jim, did this woman indicate she was worried about her own life and that's why she was running and didn't really want to testify? She thought someone was going to hurt her?
Yeah, we thought we would get some questions about that. That never came up. Neither side, the prosecution nor the defense, asked her why she was on the run. She may have said something privately, but it did not come out in court.
All right, Jim, thank you so much for the live report.